Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, we have a tank and water is flowing out of it, and this is a formula for the volume of it. So it wants us to find the flow rate and the units of the flow rate and then plug some numbers in. So let's see what happens. So V of T means it's the volume with respect to time, so it's related to time. So when we find the flow rate, we're taking the derivative with respect to T. So T is the variable. Okay, didn't leave much room here. So V prime of T, or if you want to call it dV dt, same thing. So the 100,000 is a constant. And then you've got this next part is squared, so its derivative is 2 times the stuff to the 1 power times the derivative of the stuff, which would be minus 1 over 60. Okay, so that gives us minus 200,000 over 60 times 1 minus 1 over 60t. And so I'm just going to leave it like that because okay, and V of T, remember, was 100,000, 1 minus 1 over 60t squared. Okay, so at 0, V of 0, when T is 0, that's 100,000. And V prime of 0 is minus 200,000 over 60. And V of 10, that will be 101656. That'll be 100,000 times 56 squared. And V prime of 10, that will be 56 minus 200,000 over 60 times 56. All right, so every time it's going to be the same. So V of 20 will be 100,000 times 4/6, and this will be minus 200, whatever, over 60 times 4/6. Okay, so let's see what's happening so far. I'm using my phone for a calculator, so it might not be great. 200,000 divided by 60. So this one is minus 333. All right, then the next one, 5 divided by 6 squared. Whoops. 5 divided by 6 squared times 100,000. So after 10 minutes, now the volume is already down to 69444. And here we have 5 divided by 6 times 3333. So the flow rate is about this. Okay, I'm rounding off. Okay, in the next one we have 4 divided by 6 squared times 100,000. So now it's down to 44,444, and then divided by 6 times 3333, and then the flow rate is this. Okay, so when is the flow rate the greatest? Well, it's the greatest at the beginning. Okay, and it's negative because it's going out. Okay, and it's the greatest because that's the biggest number. So the most is going out at the beginning, and then as the water gets less, then the flow rate gets less. So when will it be the least? Well, it'll be the least at 50 or whatever is the last thing we're supposed to plug in. Okay, because it's decreasing.